Alright, welcome back to video number 2. We're going to start talking about quantitative data now, specifically on how to display it. So we're going to start with our first type of, and our easiest type of graph that we can make, which is dot plots. They're our easiest type of graph. So we're looking at how good was the U.S. women's soccer team in 2012. Well, here are some data on the number of goals per game scored by the team and the 12 months prior to the 2012 Olympics. We're going to create a dot plot. Well, a dot plot's pretty simple. First thing you need is just a number line, right? So look for your minimum and your maximum number. Our minimum is 0 goals, and our maximum is 14, so we want to count up to 14. So 1, 2, 3. Alright, here we go. Now we're just going to go through our points, and for each number we have, we're going to put a dot above it. So our first number is 1, so we're going to put a dot above 1, and then we can cross it off. Alright, then we can go up to 3. Sorry, that's my dog. Then we can go to 1, 14, 13, 4, 3, 4, 2, 5, 2. And notice how I try and keep everything even, so all of our second dots are all in about the same spot, the same height. Right? It just makes it a little bit easier to read when we do it this way. Let's go ahead and keep going. Ooh, my 4s are getting pretty high there. Oops. 2 and 2 and 4. Alright, there we go. So there's my dot plot. From my dot plot, there's a lot of things I can do to describe what my distribution looks like. And so a lot of times we're asked to describe what our distribution is. When we're asked to describe our distribution, we're going beyond making the graph. And we're asked to look at 4 things. We call these 4 things our SOCs. So those SOCs stand for shape. What shape does the distribution have? Outliers. Are there any outliers? Center. What is the center of the distribution? And spread. How spread out is the data? So go ahead and take some notes on SOCs and give it a try.